there's nothing I won't do. Forever's not enough for me to love you so. Today is a special day because I'm renewing my contract as an endorser for Cebuana Lhuillier. I'm really happy because I'm part of this company that provides good services para sa mga kababayan natin all over the country. At nakakataba ng puso dahil sa tiwala at suportang patuloy nilang ibinibigay sa akin. Kaya naman, I'm here to give my support to them too.
Dito kami ngayon sa Makati Shangri-La Hotel for the launch of the 24K Cebuana card. 24K, 1 milyong pasasalamat mula po sa Cebuana Lhuillier.
Maganda yung relasyon natin with Cebuana Lhuillier. Happy naman sila, kaya hanggang ngayon nire-renew nila yung kontrata. In fact, hindi lang isa, kundi 2 produkto ang ni-endorse na sa Cebuana Lhuillier. So, papasalamat ako sa tiwala na binibigay ng Cebuana Lhuillier.
We just signed an extension and for another year, so definitely we're very happy. So our relationship with Sarah has been a good one. She's been our endorser for 4 years now, and we've grown as a company, and I'm also happy to see her grow as a talent. Well, Sarah has a lot of similarities to our image of our company. She's an honest person. She looks like a loyal person, a trustworthy person, and those are all characters that we have in our company. From her image as I said, as a trustworthy person, she's definitely been able to carry that out to our clients, and she's also very popular in terms of her being a number one talent out there, and she's also brought awareness to our clients, and that's been good for us.
Very, very happy. Ang Cebuana Lhuillier family ko has always been supportive, at saka si Mr. John Henry Lhuillier, he's very kind at saka approachable. Talagang lang siya, he's down to earth. Makakausap mo siya nang hindi ka may intimidate because he'll make you feel comfortable, ganyan. And make you feel like a family member kasi nga basta magaan lang.
She also has numerous concerts which we support, and I'm looking forward to that. Next year we're having our 25th year anniversary, and we're going to have a pretty large event at the Araneta Coliseum, and obviously we're going to have Sarah as our as a talent that evening.
Yes, like sila nagsusponsor ng mga concerts ko po. Yes, mga provincial shows, yung concert sa Araneta, hindi sila nawawala to support me.
So today we have the 24K Cebuana card event. It's primarily to recognize our partners for the 24K card. We're also here to launch also the new features of our 24K card, which includes other rewards such as e-load, paying for tuition, paying for bills, buying products and services online through our partners. The other thing that we're also introducing today is our Cebuana MyPhone. It's another innovation of Cebuana Lhuillier, wherein this MyPhone or this phone has an exclusive Cebuana application where the clients can also inquire about their remittances, loans, the branches of Cebuana Lhuillier, They can also ask about the status of the remittance, get an estimate for their loans, etc. So marami silang magagawa. We're also introducing our portal for our 24K cardholders, which is the 24konline.ph. So the 24K cardholders can log on to that, and then they can see the transaction history, get also updates about their loans or remittances. It was officially launched in January 2010, and then in less than 2 years, we already have about 1.3 million cardholders. Well, we'd like to thank Sarah for being, of course, one of our the endorser actually of Cebuana Loulier. It's also supposed to recognize our 1 million cardholder, which is already a milestone in the 24K rewards card program of Cebuana Loulier.
Ako yung nanalo ng 24K ng card tsaka with 24,000 sa Cebuana Loulier. Natutuwa lang po. Surprise po. Kasi kala ko pupunta lang ako dito para lang inimbitahan lang ako para lang manood sa 24 at makita lang yung mismong may-ari at si Sarah. Eto na ngayon, meron po akong 24,000 at galing po akong Cebuana. Salamat po sa Cebuana.
Cebuana Loulier is launching the new features of the 24K card, like rewards, discounts, e-loads, and various innovations. Marami silang bagong features para mas makatulong at maging reachable sa mga clients nila. More and more people are availing the 24K Cebuana card, so don't be left behind. Sign up na rin kayo to maximize the services of the Cebuana Loulier.
Rosie, I made 10,000 pesos alone. Once again, you can say I love this girl. Super, like, that is huge.
With Sarah as a guest, yeah, pretty much it's the first time that I ever got to host an event where she's in it. Of course I did. I mean, when I found out about it, I think about a week or 2 weeks ago, I was actually pretty excited to host it, knowing that she would be in it.
So ladies and gentlemen, the pop star princess and Cebuana Loulier celebrity endorser, let's give a big round of applause for Miss Sarah Geronimo.
Actually lucky enough to be the one seated in front of the stage itself, so it was enthralling, to say the least. We've always known that she's been really talented, but like this is the first time I ever actually got to see her perform live. So yeah, it was a great pleasure for me to watch.
Nakita si Sarah, pero in TV lang kasi lagi. In person ngayon lang po. Oo, hindi lang 24,000 ang panalo ko. Parang million na rin.
Sarah has been a good endorser for Cebuana Loulier. Her story is obviously aligned with our business since her mother when they were starting out, had to avail of our service. And in terms of helping out the business, of course, Sarah has helped our business. Siyempre yung market niya, market din namin. And the nice thing about Sarah is that she's a very good role model for the youth. So we're very happy to have her as our endorser.
I'm very happy na endorser pa rin po ako ng Cebuana Loulier for 4 years now. At dahil enjoy na ako sa mga fitness natin sa Cebuana Loulier family, ni Mr. John Henry Loulier, for trusting me to be one of your brand ambassadors. For immediate guests, or wedding clients, maraming salamat
po. I hope you don't mind if I sing another song for all of you. Sana po okay lang. Yes, wow. Sana po malusin po yun. Thank you. And for the 24 Days of One Card, I hope that we reach millions more. Congratulations for the successful launch. Thank you so much. Back when I was small, someone promised that they'd catch me, but then they let me fall, and now I'm falling fast again. Why do I always think about?
Oh, fantastic! Those two songs she sang was great, and I think she's getting better as the years progress.
Of course, it's nice to have her to grace the event. She sang 2 songs for us, and it's something I think that our partners and the rest of the audience appreciated. Having her at least merong light moment yung aming event. So we're happy to have her in our 24K card event.
Okay naman. Pag mga ganun lang klaseng event, talagang lang ako, I get more nervous kasi corporate event eh. In front of yung mga businessmen, dyan ako talagang kabadong-kabado. Siyempre, tayo eh, jolly-jolly na person at saka makulit, ganyan. So, mahirap magpaka-formal. Ayan. Ay, actually, the more na konti ang tao, siya, mas intimidating. Baliktad, no?
I'm kind of starstruck eh. I can't talk na eh. No. I have this cousin who absolutely loves her. So I just had to make it a point that I sort of had to take a photo with her. So yeah, she's great.
Of course, natuwa sila din. Nandito nga si Sarah Geronimo. It's actually a surprise to them kasi hindi naman nila alam na she's coming to this event. We didn't tell them about what's going to happen here. We just told them it's really just a recognition. So having Sarah here to perform a couple of numbers is really just a surprise to nila. So we're happy that she came over.
Ito po, 4 years na po ako nag-endorse for Cebuana at sobrang po akong masaya na pinagkakatiwalaan pa rin po ako ng kumpanya. So, ayun. Patuloy po nating suportahan ang Cebuana Louvellier.